Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to today's English lecture. In the previous lecture which was sent to you, we discussed the syllabus and the bifurcation of your syllabus. Your syllabus is bifurcated into three sections. One is reading, second is writing, and then your literature. Today we are going to take our first section, which is section A of reading skills. I told you children that there are two questions in your reading skill part. One is your unseen passage, which you have done in your previous classes, and one is a new note making passage which will be taught to you in your future lectures, as I told you previously. Today we will do the reading skill first question, that is our unseen passage. What are the strategies of attending an unseen passage? How to find out their answers? Now, reading skills. Let us see this quote, a beautiful quote. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Now, reading is an exercise of our mind. It gives energy to our mind. Now, importance of reading skills. First, let us know about some important things about reading skills. Now, what is the first point? To acquire and enhance knowledge. We want to acquire knowledge and enhance our knowledge. We want to enhance our knowledge. Reading helps in mental development. It helps in mental development. How does it help? It enhances our knowledge and our mental status develops. Now, improvement of conversational skill. When you become confident, when you come to know about many things, what happens? You become confident and you are able to talk properly. You learn new words. When your words are enhanced, you can talk confidently with others. Now, next one, helps reader to learn new words. You learn new words, new vocabulary. Develop vocabulary and language skill. When your vocabulary is strong and you are able to make new sentences, then your language skills also improve. Now, improves grammar and spellings. Now, reading improves your grammar skills as well as your spellings also. Overall, it's a development of your language skill. Now, there are few strategies which you have to follow while attempting the reading comprehension. Now, read the passage thoroughly. You have to read the passage thoroughly without missing any word, without missing any sentence. Then you have to keep a pencil with you or a pen to mark the main ideas and supporting details for the whole passage. Now, what you're going to do, you will mark the main ideas and the details. Now, mark important vocabulary and try to guess their meaning from the content. Now, whatever is given in your passage, you will try to relate those words with the content given to you. Then quickly skim through the question. Now, quickly skim through the question means after reading the passage, you will go through the questions. Then, would you have already got most of the answer? You would have got all the answers because you have read the passage. So as soon as you will read the questions, you will get the answer. Now, read the passage given to counter check your answers and to find answers for the remaining one. Now, few answers you have already got, and now what you will do, you will find out the rest of the remaining answers, the questions which you have still not solved. Now, while writing the answers, be brief and to the point. Don't write lengthy answers. Be brief. That means you have to write to the point. You will not exceed your answers. You will not write very long answers. Now, rephrase your answers. Now, rephrase your answers means you will use your own language. You will frame the answers in your own language. You will not use the language used in the passage. Generally, children, what you all do, you use the same. You just copy paste the sentences from the passage which is wrong. You will not copy paste. You will frame those answers and then you will write. Do not copy the sentences from the text. Answer the questions in the corresponding tense of the question. Now, if your question has been asked in the present tense, your answer will also be in the present tense. So, you will follow the tense of the question and then write the answer of that question. Now, children, I have given you one unseen passage over here for your practice. You will read this passage thoroughly and then you will find the answers. The questions are given at the end of the passage. You will find the answers and you will write it in your copy and send the pic of the answers in our WhatsApp group.